you see, we have been talking about HIV infection, but it seems that people are turning deaf ear and they are contracting this kind of infection. It's very, very serious. The Ghana AIDS Commission has released the statistics of HIV infection ongoing. Let me share the update with you. He said Ghana recorded 15,290 new HIV infections and 12,614 AIDS-related deaths in 2024 alone. So 2025 is not yet in, 2026 is not yet in. But look at the number of people contracting the infection. And those that are dying is too much. Now, let us not confuse ourselves with regards to HIV infection and AIDS, because they are completely two different things. Now, when you get the HIV virus into your blood, or when you contract the virus, then we call it HIV infection. But when the infection becomes complicated, advanced form of HIV infection is the AIDS. So when you get the HIV, that does not mean that automatically you have the AIDS. Most people with AIDS do not usually survive. You understand? Because at that point, your immune system is down. And the shocking thing is, those people that don't know their HIV status, very important that you know your HIV status, whether it's positive or negative. If it is negative, then you are good to go. But with that one, you need to have these kind of infection prevention protocols. And those that will do the HIV test and it's positive, you need to have it in mind that now there are these kind of ART medications that will give to you, that when you start taking it, even people close to you will not notice that you have the infection. It was in the olden days or the past times that when someone gets HIV, it's clear that you will notice that the person will be losing weight. Everybody will get to realize, it seems this person has this infection. But currently, there are many people who are on their HIV medication that you will not even realize unless the person tells you that he has HIV. When you get to know your status, it will help us to manage the infection appropriately, because we don't want the HIV to move from the HIV to the AIDS, because when you get to the AIDS, there's nothing that we can be able to do about it. You understand? When you get to the AIDS, you are at the point or at the verge of dying, because doctors cannot do anything serious when the HIV turns to AIDS. So you two watching this video, it's important you share this video to anybody close to you. You understand? Because we need to make the awareness of HIV infection very, very serious. We need to take it upon ourselves, our family members, friends, loved ones around us. Let's share this video to them because they need it. You understand? If they turn deaf ear, then it is they that they have decided that they want to turn deaf ear. When they contract the infection, then themselves has taken the decision. But when you share it to them and they advise themselves, that one is very, very key and important. So you see, this video it seems that I'm very, very serious about it, because look at the number of people have contracting the HIV infection, and also compare it with the deaths, HIV related deaths. You see, it's very, very serious. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession.